Good morning, children. Sairam. Today in our English class, yes, we will do active English and we will start with our chapter number 18, page number 40 and 41. Answer the questions beginning with the words given. Once again, we will read the question. Answer the questions beginning with the words given. Yes, the beginning part of the answer is given. Yes, some few words are given and we have to complete the answers by looking at the question. Let's begin with our exercise. Number 1. Which girl secured the most marks? Yes, the question is given to you and you have to, yes, complete the answer. Yes, let's read once again the question. Which girl secured the most marks? So, what are the words given? I cannot tell you. Yes, these words are given to you and after that you have to complete your answer. Yes, how will you complete? Yes, you will look at the question. Which girl secured the most marks? You have to remove the question mark from there and same question you have to join here with the given words. And then, yes, your answer is completed. Yes. Let's read. I cannot tell you. These words are given and after that you are writing, yes, the question part again here in the answer. Which girl secured the most marks? Full stop. Now you are writing in the answer form. I cannot tell you. Yes, so here you will not put a question mark as it is a answer. Yes, so you have to add a full stop and you are completing your answer. Okay, children? Number 2. Which one do you want to sell? Yes, the words given are I don't know. Here, what is there in the question? Somebody is asking you which one do you want to sell? So how will you write in the answer form? I don't know which one. I you will write I. Yes, you're talking about yourself. So which one I want to sell. Yes, and then full stop. Very good. Once again I will read the answer. I don't know which one I want to sell. Yes, children, you have to recheck after writing your answer and you have to reread so that you understand whether it is correct or not, and you have to understand whether the answer is sounding correct or not. Okay? Next, number 3. Which horse has white spots? No one knows. These words are given. Okay? Now how are you going to complete? You will pick up the question and same you have to write here and you have to read whether it is correct or not and then you have to complete. Which horse has white spots? Okay, I'll read once again. No one knows which horse has white spots. Okay, and full stop. Number 4. Which girl has the longest hair? I am not sure. These words are given. After that you have to complete the answer. What you are going to do, you have to pick up the question and you have to add it in the words given in the answer. Yes. Which girl has the longest hair? Full stop. Very good. Number 5. Which one is the best? Yes. We'll read the answer. I am not sure. These words are given to you, and after that you have to complete. What are you going to do? You have to pick up the question, remove the question mark, and yes, write here in the given space. Which one is the best? Okay, and then at the end you have to add full stop. Correct. Number 6. Which shop sells toys? I will find out. These words are given, correct? Yes. Which shop sells toys? Yes, you have completed your answer and then full stop. I will find out which shop sells toys. Good. We'll proceed. Number 7. Which book did he read last week? Yes. Which book did he read last week? Answer. He has forgotten. Yes. Which book he read last week? Now here you have to remove the word did. Why? Because you are writing in the answer form. So you will not add did. Okay. He has forgotten which book he read last week. Next, number 8. Which book is she reading? Yes, in the question, how are you going to ask? Which book is she reading? In the answer form, how will you write? She did not tell me. These words are given. She did not tell me. And then, which book she is reading? Yes, here we have interchanged the place of she and is, pronoun and verb. Why? Because in the question we are asking question, so it will be is she. In the answer form it will become she is. Very good. Let's read once again the answer. She did not tell me which book she is reading. Number 9. Which one would you like? I am not sure. Which one would you like? Yes. Here there are no changes. Correct. You have to add the question, pick up the question and put it here in the answer as it is. No changes. And then at the end you have to remove question mark and add full stop. Very good. Number 10. Which flight is going to Chennai? Yes. I will ask that man which flight is going to Chennai. Yes, children. So, the beginning part of the answer is also given to you, and the question you have to add it in the answer as it is, but you have to remember where the changes are needed and you have to complete the answer. Yes, very good. You have to complete the sentences. So we have done with our first exercise. Yes, we will move on to next question. Number 2, exercise number 2, join the sentences. Here you have to join the sentences and rewrite, making it as one sentence. Let's see how to do. Number 1, I want to know something. Who broke the window? I want to know something. Who broke the window? Yes, there are two parts in the question. You have to join them and make it one and rewrite as in the answer form. I will tell you how to do. Yes. When you are rewriting and making it as one sentence, so you will remove the word something. Something will go away. And how will you frame your answer? I want to know who broke the window. Yes, when you are joining, who will become, W will become small. It will not be capital. Who broke the window. Full stop. Yes, children? Yes. So you will remove the word something. And you will join the two parts and make it as one and rewrite as your answer. Very good. Yes. Now we move on to another. Next one. I want to know something. Who wrote on the blackboard? Yes. Again you have to join these two parts of the question and you have to make a single and write the answer. Yes. So which word you are going to remove? What are you going to do? Yes, you will remove the word something and remove the full stop and W will become small. Correct. These are the rules you have to remember. Let's look at the answer. I want to know who wrote on the blackboard. Full stop. At the end you have to put a full stop. Yes. Let's read once again. I want to know who wrote on the blackboard. Good. Number 3. The teacher wants to know something. Who has read the book? Yes. What are you going to do? You will remove the word something. Remove full stop and W small. Very good. And then you have to join and complete the answer and write it in one sentence. The teacher wants to know who has read the book. Yes, I will read once again. The teacher wants to know who has read the book. Full stop. Number 4. The teacher does not know something. Who opened the window? Yes. Who will give the answer? Try. The teacher does not know who opened the window. Good. You have to remove something. And same first part and second part you will take and join. Remove full stop and W small. Yes, and then join and you have to complete the answer. Rewrite in your given space. Good. Number 5. I am trying to find out something. Who has my book? Yes, let's read the answer. I am trying to find out who has my book. The word something has gone away. Correct. We will read the answer once again. I am trying to find out who has my book. We have done with the second exercise. Now we start with third exercise. Complete the sentences. Yes. Number 1. Who is that? Yes. These questions and answers you have to remember and you have to understand, children. It is very important. They will help you to improve your spoken English. Yes. I'll read the question once again. Who is that? Yes, the beginning of the answer is given. Don't you know who that is? Yes, when you are writing the answer, again it becomes in the question form. So, when it is in the question form, what are you going to do? Yes, not a full stop. You will not put a full stop. You will put a question mark. Correct. We will read answer once again. Don't you know who that is? Yes, in the question it is that. In the answer it will become that is, but still it sounds as question. Yes. We move on to number 2. Who is he? Yes, remember in the answer what it will become is he will become he is. Yes, very good. You have to interchange their places. I don't know who he is. Yes, now your answer is beginning with I don't know. So it becomes answer. It is not question. So what are you going to add at the end? Full stop. Correct. I don't know who he is. Okay. Number 3. Who is it? Who is it? While writing answer is it, how will you write? It is. Correct. You have to interchange their places. I don't know who it is. Good. And at the end, full stop. Yes. Number 4. Who is she? Let's read the question once again. Who is she? In the question form is she, and in the answer form how will you write? She is. Correct. Let's read the answer. I can't tell you who she is. Full stop. Yes. Can't. Can't is the short form of the word cannot. Yes, cannot is the full word, full 2 words, and then we are combining and writing it in the short form can't. So this answer is in the negative form. I can't tell you who she is. Okay, children. Number 5. Who was that? Who was that? Was that will become in the answer that was. Correct. I did not see who that was. Okay. I'll read once again. I did not see who that was. Number 6. Who was it? Was it will become it was. Correct. it will change, and in the answer we are going to write it was. Let's read the answer. I don't know who it was. Okay. See, don't again, can you see here negative? Yes, sentence, because do not, we are making the short form don't. Number 7. Who were they? Who were they? Were they will become in the answer they were. Correct. No one knows who they were. Good. At the end, full stop. Number 8. Who are they? Yes, in the answer form, they are. Correct. I cannot tell you who they are. Yes. Number 9. Who is he? Yes. Is he will become in the answer he is. Correct. We don't know who he is. I'll repeat once again. We don't know. These words are given and you have to complete and you have to write who he is. Number 10. Who was she? Yes. Yes, in the answer she was. Correct. I will find out who she was. Very good. Number 11. Who was he? My brother knows. These words are given to you and you have to complete the remaining part. Who he was. Correct. You have to write. In the question it is was he. In the answer he was. Correct. We'll read once again. My brother knows who he was. Full stop. Number 12. Who is she? Yes, is she in the question and in the answer she is. Correct. Everyone knows who she is. Everyone knows who she is. Very good. Here we come to the end of exercise. Yes. So we have done 3 exercise chapter 18. You will listen carefully, understand, and then you will complete your exercise by looking at the answers carefully. Okay, children. So we have completed with our chapter and here we have come to the end. I hope you will complete your exercise neatly in your book. See you in the next session. Till then, take good care, children, and have a good day. Okay.